I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you can move fast. A clean Git repo with branch rules and a service token for your chosen CI. Once done, connect the repo to the CI provider and add required secrets to the CI vault. Make sure to commit a minimal project structure and Docker file if you'll build images. This lets the pipeline detect changes and run immediately. Now create the initial pipeline file in the repo root so the system can start executing your jobs. You'll now implement the core pipeline stages and explain why. Split steps into install, build, test, and package so failures map to causes. Once tests are small and independent, run them in parallel to save time. Use caching for dependencies to reduce repeat work. Make sure the build produces deterministic artifacts and tag container images with semantic versions or commit SHAs. After a successful build, publish artifacts to your registry or artifact store, so downstream deployments you finish by wiring deployment and safety nets. Define environment variables per stage and add manual approval gates for production. Once deployed, run automated health checks and use a gradual rollout strategy like Canary or Blue-Green so you reduce blast radius. Make sure monitoring and alerting are connected to your pipeline so failures trigger immediate notifications. If something goes wrong, use the documented rollback steps. Automate reverting to the previous artifact tag to minimize downtime and test the rollback path regularly to ensure it works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.